Hey, bud. Did you did you eat all your food, bud? Yeah, was it good? Yeah, yummy food every day. I noticed that there was some yeah, don't look away. There was some pee on a towel today. Where did you do that? Mm, no, no answer. You didn't do it. So someone else must have peed on the towel.
I didn't do it.
Huh. Okay. There was some underwear on the floor too. No, you didn't do that. Did you do it, bud? No. Oh, okay. Okay. Just making sure. You got a bone today, though, didn't you? You like that? It's a good bone. Yeah. You want to talk about anything else, bud? No. Did you hear those raccoons the other night? Did you bark at them? Yeah, you did. Because you thought that they were hurting someone? No, just because you wanted to bark at them. Because you're a dog. Hmm. I see. Huh. What'd you think about X-Files? You don't like X-Files? No. Scary? Because they don't have dogs in it? You want to see an X-File with dogs in it? Yeah, okay. Maybe there'll be one soon. Do you love your mom? Do you love your other mom? Yeah. Do you want to talk? You don't want to talk. You want to do swimmies? Swimmies? Who's a swimmy boy? You want to do swimmies? Swimmy, swimmy! Swimmy, bud! Swimmy! Do swimmies! Swimmies! Oh, swimmies! Swimmies, boy! Swimmies! Oh, okay. Okay. We're done.